Hey guys, it's me Ryan. Today is April ano ba ngayon? April 12, 2025 guys. Ito yung kwarto ko. Yan. This is our home. Guys, nagbibideo ako kasi gusto ko makita yung or balikan tong video na to after 20 years, diba? This is the environment in the year 2025 guys. This is our home. Okay, and tapos ko lang din maligo and nag skincare ako kanina, and then malalagay tayo nitong soothing gel guys. In the year 2025 guys, soothing gel is so very relevant. Ang Glycera. This is the one basic skincare. Hindi naman totally basic pala. Yung mga nakakaangat-angat lang. Cheers! Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Bibigaway ka sa vlog. Ay, sa video pala. Vlog. I-upload ko sa channel ko. Super dugyot. Babalikan natin ito video na to. Magbibideo pala ako ng every now and then. So balikan natin every year. Okay na. Bye bye guys. See you in my next video ulit.